Hello, this is Sebastian Garcia, and I am doing the tutorial voiceover for this question. It's just that finding the derivative of a in this equation, which is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. And overall, really simple stuff. You're just going to first put the limit, of course, limit approaching 0, and then there's an equation to do to find the derivative, and it's just putting in f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And so it's just showing how this is f of x is going to go into both of these equations. But you're just, for the second part, it's not really that confusing because the h might confuse some people. You're just putting plus h over here. Like, it's really, really simple. Plus h, 3x plus h plus 1. And then you put, of course, f of x, which is just this whole equation over here. So you're just subtracting f of x. And of course, it's just pointing out f of x and f of x plus h. These are the two equations, and you're still doing it over h. And then after that, you're just simplifying. So see, 2x squared, how they found this is just by doing, literally just distributing 2 to the x squared. And you're also going to do that for the same thing for 2 to the 4, exponent of 2 is 4. Sorry for my stuttering. And that makes it 4xh. And then, of course, you're going to have 2h squared because, you're distributing to this one as well. And then this one is just distributing to the 3x plus h, which is just 3x minus 3h plus 1. And then, of course, they're just going to show you how the negative is distributing to this part of the equation. After this, it's pretty simple. You just find the like terms. You see the 2x squared over here, the 3x and the 3x over here, and the 1 as well. We can eliminate all that to get this. Just eliminating, the like term so you can find out to make a question simpler. Then you're still dividing over h, and the next thing you do after this, you see the h's, you want to take out the h's, right? So you're trying to basically eliminate h from the whole problem. So you take it out, and then 4x plus 2h equals minus 3. So all they did was just take out the h's and put them right over here to the left. And if you were to simplify this equation, it'd go 4x plus h, 4x h plus 2h, h times 2h is 2h squared, and then 3h. But since they took out the h's, this makes the question a lot simpler, and we can take out the h's, which leaves us with 4x plus 2h minus 3. And then you can just use the limit to put 0 instead of h. And then 4x plus 2 to the 0, or 2 times 0 minus 3 is just 4x minus 3. And that is your derivative of f of x. This is not the answer to the problem, though. This is just f of x. It's trying for us to find f of a. And the simple thing to do for this is you just substitute a instead of x. And that makes it 4a minus 3. That's about it. Most of the stuff here, everybody knows it's common algebra. And you just have to remember, make sure you're finding the like terms and make sure you're factoring out the things that you don't need so you make the question a lot simpler for yourself. And that's all.